Hey everyone, John here from Blog and Good Food. Easter's coming up, and what's better than hot cross buns fresh from your oven? They look fancy, but trust me, you can totally make these at home. Skip the store and wow your friends and family with your baking skills. Ingredients, let's grab our stuff. Flour, this is what makes the bun. Milk, we'll warm it up a bit to activate the yeast. Yeast is like a teeny baking helper. Sugar, for sweetness and to help the buns rise. Eggs, to hold everything together and add flavor. Butter makes the bun soft and yummy. Yeast, the secret weapon that makes them fluffy. Dried fruit, raisins, sultanas, currants, pick your favorites. Spices, cinnamon, nutmeg and a pinch of salt for that warm spicy taste. Step 1. Wake up the yeast. First, let's get the yeast ready. In a bowl, sprinkle some warm milk over the yeast and add a teaspoon of sugar. It might look a little sad at first, but give it a few minutes and watch it come to life. It should get bubbly. Step 2. Mix the dry stuff. In another bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, spices and a pinch of salt, like mixing up a dry Play-Doh party. Step 3. The big mashup. Putting everything together, making a hole in the center of your dry ingredients and pour in the bubbly yeast mixture, along with the soft butter, egg and dried fruit. Mix it all together with a spoon or your hands until it's well combined. Step 4. Knead it out. Sprinkle some flour on a surface and knead the dough for about 10 minutes. Imagine you're giving it a hug, push it down, fold it over and repeat. This helps make the bun soft and chewy. Step 5. Rest and rise. The dough has been working so hard, so let it relax. Put it in a bowl with a little oil, cover it up and find a warm spot for it to rise. It should get twice as big in an hour. Step 6. Shape time. When the dough rises, shape the buns. Press the dough, divide it and roll into balls. Place them on a baking sheet. Use a piping bag or a spoon with flour to create crosses on top of each bun. Step 7. Rise again. Let's give the buns one last rest for about 30 minutes. This will make them even fluffier. Step 8. Bake time. Preheat your oven to get it nice and hot. While it's heating up, brush the tops of your bun with a little bit of milk or egg wash. This will make them golden brown when they bake. Pop them in the oven and smell the yummy spices fill your kitchen. Step 9. Fresh out of the oven. After about 20 minutes, your hot cross buns should be golden brown and sound hollow when you tap them. Take them out and let them cool. There you have it, delicious homemade hot cross buns. Don't forget to check out our website blogandgoodfood.com for more easy and yummy recipes.